Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add a link to your logo of the website. So when you click the link, it refreshes the website and you go to the home page. So let's say you're on a about page, and when you click logo, you want to go to the home page. So to do that, we first need to go to our navigation. We go to our navigation, we find logo, we go to add elements, and we find the link block. We drag logo into link block. We go to link block, click settings, and here in URL, all you need to do is put this line, Shift and number 7 on my keyboard on Windows. And when you do this, you refresh the website, publish, then refresh here, and now just give me a second. First, we need to change the styling because link block gives default underline, so we need to remove that. You just go to here, decoration, and click none, and it will remove. Okay, now click publish, and now refresh the website. And now when you click logo, it refreshes to the home page. Let's say you're on an about page, you click here, you go to home page. Contact us, you click logo, you go to home page, and that's it.